Hello, check, two, check, two, check, voice check, sound check, voice check, output check, hello, 1, 2, check, hello, 1, 2, check. Cheers. Hello, Amit. Mr. Amit Shukla, how are you? Hi. Oh. Jinendra, how are you, sir? Dev Chopra, how are you, Dev? Hi, Amit Shukla. I just went to get my lens. Hi, Bindu. Namaskar. Thank you, Amit. Thank you for the kind words. I missed you because I was tied up with Antakshari projects today. Last night we did Antakshari, today too. So it was, a lot of getting hands dirty. Never done that before. Getting the programs and things to run. But I'm glad. Are you having a good Mother's Day? Hi Muhammad. Hi Tariq. Welcome to the show. I love you too. Great. Thank you, Amit Bhaiya. Lovely words. It's yes. Mother's Day, it's a very, very sentimental day. I know not everybody's mothers are here. Hi to Muhammad Sajid, how are you? Oh yes, how are you Muhammad? Sajid Bhaiya, kaise ho? Kem cho tame? Good to have you. Yeah, going back to Mother's Day, it's very hard because some of us, our mothers are back in India, in Pakistan, back home. Some of us do not have mothers left anymore. We just उनकी यादों में रहते हैं. Hi Biju Roja, how are you Biju? Sonny from UK. Thank you for coming. और काफ़ी लोग जो है बस मम्मी की यादें में रहते हैं, यादों में. तो this day is very, very special. We all miss mom. If she's here, then you are very lucky. You are a lucky person. If mom is not here, then unfortunately, we are very, very, very unlucky. Hi Jonika. Jyotika ji. Hi Deep Chand. Thank you all for coming. We'll do some mother songs. Obviously, we have to do mother song because we love our mothers. We want to tell them how much we love her, and we want to tell them how much we appreciate them. And so I'll start with this beautiful song. I don't have much music on that one, but अलाप से शुरुआत करते हैं. याद किसी को हो तो ऐसी बात सुनाए जिन पे कहीं ना कहीं माँ का नाम ना आए. याद किसी को हो तो ऐसी बात सुनाए जिस पे कहीं ना कहीं माँ का नाम ना आए. दुनिया में ऐसी कोई दास्तां नहीं मिलती सब कुछ मिल जाता है लेकिन हाँ माँ नहीं मिलती, माँ नहीं मिलती। कौन सी है वो चीज़ जो यहाँ नहीं मिलती, सब कुछ मिल जाता है लेकिन हाँ माँ नहीं मिलती, माँ नहीं मिलती। What a song! कितना खूबसूरत गाना बनाया था. So good for all our moms. So I'm going to start with some songs now, and all these songs are dedicated to you. Thank you. And moms, all our moms, we love them so much. Even if they are not here with us, they are still with us in our hearts. And they will always protect you guys, always protect everybody. Okay? So I'm just hoping that I'm able to sing these songs because they are very dear to me. And this song here, let me sing a song from the film Chota Lal. छोटा भाई 1966 लता जी का गाया हुआ गीत, लता मंगेशकर दीदी का गाया हुआ गीत. I hope you like it. Just stay around and listen to songs. I've got about half an hour, 45 minutes or so, probably half an hour. Depends on how much love we can share. But this song, माँ मुझे अपने आंचल में छुपा लो, it's so good. मुझे अपने आंचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं. माँ मुझे अपने आंचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं. फिर न सताऊंगा कभी, पास बुला ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं, कि और मेरा कोई नहीं. छोटा भाई 1966. हेलो डॉक्टर. भूल मेरी छोटी सी भूल जाओ माता, भूल मेरी छोटी सी भूल जाओ माता. ऐसे कोई अपनों से रूठ नहीं जाता. रूठ गया हूँ मैं, तू मुझको मना ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं. माँ मुझे अपने आंचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं, कि और मेरा कोई नहीं. गोद में तेरे माँ तक मैं पला हूँ, गोद में तेरी आज तक मैं पला हूँ. उंगली पकड़ के तेरी माँ मैं चला हूँ. तेरे बिना मुझको अब कौन संभाले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं, कि और मेरा कोई नहीं. Hello Smriti ji. Hi Shobha ji. Welcome. ना तो यहाँ अंधियारा ना कोई जोत है, ना तो यहाँ अंधियारा ना कोई जोत है, ना तो यहाँ जीवन है ना कोई मौत है। तुमने किया है मुझको किसके हवाले, गले से लगा ले के और मेरा कोई नहीं। माँ मुझे अपने आंचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं, कि और मेरा कोई नहीं। माँ मुझे अपने आंचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं। थैंक यू दोस्तों। लता जी का, लता दीदी का गाया हुआ ये गीत फिल्म 1966 में छोटा भाई। It's a lovely film. It's a black and white, obviously, and it's a beautiful film. If you get chance to watch it, thank you Amit bhaiya. If you get chance to watch it, please do watch it. Chota Bhai. So we'll move on, and how many of you watching here have your moms here in Sydney? You can do one of those things. How many of you watching your moms here in Sydney right now with you? Or in fact, those people watching overseas. Let's go and go to the next song. I love this song. It's a nice setup in those Gora Gadis in India. Beautiful. Let's see if you like it. मन्ना जी का गाया हुआ गीत है। उसको नहीं देखा हमने पर उसकी जरूरत क्या होगी, हे माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी। So let's enjoy this song, tribute to Mama. उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी पर इसकी जरूरत क्या होगी, ए माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी। उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी। इंसान तो क्या देवता भी आंचल में तेरे पल्ले, ए स्वर्ग इसी दुनिया में कदमों के तेरे तले। ममता ही लुटाए जिस पे नयन हो, ममता ही लुटाए जिस पे नयन, ऐसी कोई मूरत क्या होगी, ए माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी। उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी। क्यों धूप जलाए दुखों की, क्यों गम की घटा बरसे, हाथ दुआ वाले रहते हैं सदा सर पे। तू है तो अंधेरे हमें नहीं, तू है तो अंधेरे पल में नहीं, सूरत की जरूरत क्या होगी। ए माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी, क्या होगी। उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी। कहते हैं तेरी शान में जो कोई आंचल बोल नहीं, भगवान के पास भी माता तेरा प्यार का मोल। हम तो यही जाने तुझसे हो, हम तो यही जाने तुझसे बड़ी संसार की दौलत क्या होगी। ए माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी, क्या होगी। उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी, पर इसकी जरूरत क्या होगी। ए माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी, क्या होगी। उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी। थैंक यू, शुक्रिया दोस्तों। नमस्ते उषा जी, स्मृति जी, नमस्ते, वेलकम। So we are just doing a small tribute to Mama. It's very hard, but I'm trying. कभी गलती हो जाए तो माफ कर देना, because mine can be somewhere else and I could be somewhere else. So let's. I remember Usha ji. Usha ji is from here. Yes, I got confused with Usha ji from London. Usha Khan. How are you, Usha ji? This song is everybody's favorite, and it's my favorite too. I don't know about you guys, but I lost mom. I lost mom in 2013. Mom had a stroke. She had a stroke in 2011. So since then I've been lucky to be in England with her for all that time. And I consider myself very, very, very lucky. Okay? So let's go on. Everybody have got lovely stories about their moms. But we can share. Let's go to the next song. Tu kitni achhi hai, tu kitni pyari hai, bholi bhali hai maa. So we'll take that song as soon as possible. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। कि ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ Hi Chetan Bhaiya, how are you? Hi Meeta ji. Hi Smriti ji. Thanks for coming. दुख न लागी है माँ तेरी मनखियाँ, दुख न लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ, मेरे लिए जागी है तू सारी सारी रतिया, ओ मेरी निंदिया पे अपनी निंदिया भी तूने मारी है। ओ माँ, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। Smriti is saying this is your favorite song. Yeah, it is. It is lovely song. Missing mom Kim. अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई, अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई, मैं मुस्काया तू मुस्काई, मैं रोया तू रोई, मेरे हंसने पे मेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ। Hi Anizan, hi Guruji, namaste. You are lucky man. Anil Sahab, you are very lucky. Your mama and daddy are both here. Yeah. Good luck forever. उनको हमारी सलाम सलाम। माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले जिनकी माँ होती है। कितनी सुंदर है, कितनी शीतल है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी माँ, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, सबकी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मेरी माँ, सबकी माँ। जी हाँ दोस्तों, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी सुंदर है। ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग मेड फॉर मॉम। वैसे बहुत सारे गीत हैं माँ के लिए। I could find this week has been really hectic. Let's see what Anil Bhai says. Thank you. Hi Munna Bhai. Hi, Mary Mona bhai. Welcome. Anil bhai, thank you for your lovely words. I got good friends here. I got good. Anil bhai, you're saying I'm very lucky. Yes, because I have good friends, good family, good friends. My Madan bhai is here. My Madan Lakcha. He is the one who guides me. He helps me with a lot of technical stuff. Thank you, Madan Munna bhai. Also, Anil Khan, he is my guru. He teaches me all these difficult things that I can understand. So, thank you so much, Anil bhai. Thank you so much, Madan bhaiya. Kimi is there, Natasha is there, Bindu is there. All these people are Yogesh ji. They all my kind of extended family, and they push me. So anyway, this show is about mom. We want to make sure that all our moms understand that we all love them, we all care them, we all admire them, and we want them to stay with you forever and ever and ever again. So this song is from the film ABC 2. It's a lovely song. I love it. You will love it too. It's a very not that easy to sing song. Arijit sang this song in that film ABCD 2. And I'll do where I can, I'll do my attempt to sing. There are a couple of notes that I still find difficult to hit, but let's see what I can do. It's called Chunar, Arijit Singh. Chunar. जीना 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 उड़ान उड़ा माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 उड़ान उड़ा माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवार माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 उड़ा उड़ा माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई। जी हाँ, हेलो अश्विन भैया फ्रॉम क्वींसलैंड, थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर popping by. Hi Kesh, congratulations for 1 year. I'm going to do my video is coming soon. जग से हारा नहीं मैं खुद से हारा हुआ एक दिन चमकूंगा मैं तेरा सितारा हुआ मायरे मुझसे जैसे रोटी मेरी परछाई मेरी परछाई तेरा खाया माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 रे उगा गुलाब माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा समा माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 उड़ा गुलाब माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई। Thank you very much दोस्तों. Lovely song माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई. Let me see who's here. Hi Bindu ji. Hi Anil ji, you are so good. Thank you. Bindu ji saying beautiful song. Reminds me of Navratri. Yes, Navratri. Yes, Navratri is coming soon. 6 months ke time. Hopefully we'll sing there. Anil bhai says hi Rupa. Rupa Soni is here. I think she's from England. Hi Rupa. Thanks for the Antakshari yesterday. And the video is on the Facebook. Hi, Mr. Pandit Chetan. Oh, Pandit ji, namaskar from Minto, right? Thank you for coming, Pandit ji. Thank you for coming. We are talking about Navratri. I've got Chetan Pala from I think Ahmedabad or Bhavnagar in India. Hi Chetan, thanks for coming. Hi Rupa. I hope you had a good time yesterday. Anil Kant is here, you can talk to him also. Bindu is there. This song is so good. I think you will love it. Stick around, stay around, and you will love this song. It's from the film Tare Zameen Pe. Tare Zameen Pe. Let's see how we can do this one. We'll try. Thank you. Hi, Jwalan Patel. Nice to see you. जी हाँ दोस्तों, तारे ज़मीन पे मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ माँ. मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह से यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ. तुझे सब है पता है न माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ. मैं कभी क्यों न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के बिना ना पाऊँ माँ. इतना दूर मुझको तू, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ. क्या कितना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या कितना बुरा मेरी माँ। जोर जोर से चुनाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचूं नहीं तू आके थामेगी माँ। उनसे मैं ये कहता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में सहम जाता हूँ माँ। चेहरे पे आने देता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूँ माँ। तुझे सब है पता, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। बतलाता नहीं पर तेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। भेजना दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। पता है न माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। थैंक यू दोस्तों। अगर कुछ गलती हो जाए तो ट्राई एंड फॉरगिव मी, बिकॉज बहुत सारे गीत ये ऐसे हैं, और स्पेशली मॉम के गीत जो होते हैं, they are very touchy. I have a message here. Hashmobhai Lodia. Hashmobhai Lodia, namaste. There was a message. Nagaraja. Rudra Radhya. Hello Nagaraja. How are you? Thank you for watching. I got a message, but I don't know. There was a request for a song. Lekin मैंने पढ़ा नहीं. I didn't see that. So if you can give me that request again. Hi Natasha Ram, thanks for watching. It's so nice. I'm sorry drinking my chai. I got this song. I'm going to dedicate to everybody, especially to. Obviously Mama. When I was in UK with Mom, I used to sing this song to her, believe me, and she used to love it. So this song is for Mom, and obviously to all the other moms. Dara Milan, Natasha Ram, hi, thanks for watching. So this song is for mom and for everybody. Also for my sister Kim, she's here, and Rupa also is here, and all those other people that Maxine, she's my half sister also. So, सारी बहना के लिए, but it's for mom. Okay. Love you all. Kishore Kumar sang this song. It's a beautiful song. I love it, you love it too. She used to love this song. जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने चूर। जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने चूर। आँखों में नींद ना, मन में चेताए, 1000 में मेरी मम्मा है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सब साथ देना है। देखो हम तुम दोनों एक डाली के फूल, मैं ना भूला तू कैसे मुझको गई भूल। देखो हम तुम दोनों एक डाली के फूल, मैं ना भूला तू कैसे मुझको गई भूल। मेरे पास झुके ना है, 1000 में मेरी मम्मा है। सारी में हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सब साथ देना है। जीवन के दुखों से यूं डरते नहीं है, ऐसे सच पे सच से गुजरते नहीं है। जीवन के दुखों से यूं डरते नहीं है, ऐसे सच पे सच से गुजरते नहीं है। सुखी है चाहत तो दुख भी सहना है, 1000 में मेरी मम्मा है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का डालों का सब्जा कहना है, 1000 में मेरी मैया है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का डालों का सब्जा कहना है। Thank you, दोस्तों. Thanks Deepak Bhaiya for coming. Thanks Hiran Pala. Let me see the names here. I've got Hiran Pala. Namaste Hiran Bhai. Meena Marolia. Hi Meena ji. Namaste. Deepak Bhaiya from Newcastle. Thank you all for coming. Yeah, you are still here. Now, it is for those who just came here, we've been singing all Mama's songs, Mom's favorite songs, and Tolo ka Taro ka, and तो कितनी अच्छी है, माँ मुझे अपने आँचों में छुपा ले, उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी पर इसकी ज़रूरत क्या होगी. Chunar was a lovely song. I think I've got there, so I just cut it now. Manpreet Singh ji, Namaste Manpreet ji, Sasiyakal. It's nice to have all these people here. Thank you for support. And hi Mini Madhav ji. How are you sir? Thanks for coming. Mom, as I said before, she plays a very important part. I'll tell you a story. If you guys are here, I'll tell you a story. You have to listen to this carefully. I'll switch the. So, क्या होता है मालूम है? You promised to say because it's only like 2 minutes story. अभी याद आई मुझे माँ के बारे में. It's about mama. Your mama, my mama, everybody's mom. They all same. तो क्या होता है मालूम है? There is this guy. He wants to become a really, really rich person, right? And he wants to go to Bollywood and become very, very famous. But then he doesn't have money. He's a young chap, some teenager. And so he goes to sleep. He prays every day that I want lots of money, I want fame, I want all these things. Hello Miniji, namaste. Hi Raju, how are you Raju? From India. So he's telling everybody that he wants to become famous, he wants lots of money, he wants to go to Bollywood, he wants to buy a car and this and that, and lots of money requirement. So then on that night, usko ek dream aata, he dreams. He dreams about a genie. You know genie? Genie jo aapko jo kuch chahe wo that if she is very happy with you, genie, she will give you everything that you want, right? So genie is very happy with this young boy and tells the boy that okay fine, you want name, you want fame, you want Bollywood, you want cars, you want people, you want money, you want houses, bungalow, yes sir, I will give it to you. No problem. I will give you all that stuff. Hi Devanshi Panchal. Hi Devanshi. So the genie tells this young boy that I'll give you all this what you want, but you have to do a small job for me. So the boy says, okay, Kai, I'll do whatever you do, whatever you tell me, I will do that because, hi Salma, thanks for coming. I'm talking about a story about a boy. A boy wants to become very, very rich. So he's praying to a genie. Genie, I want to become very, very rich. Genie tells, okay, no problem. If you want to become rich, you have to do one thing for me. If you do that for me, I will give you all these blessings you want, right? So क्या होता है कि so the boy says, what do you want me to do? मैं क्या करूँ? The genie says, tonight when your mother is asleep, right? Tonight when your mother is asleep, this is a bit very not so nice to hear, but this is what genie is telling to this boy. You go and bring your mom's heart. उसका जो heart है ना, वो निकाल के मेरे पास लेके आओ. Then I'll give you all these things in the world that you want. So the boy said, how am I going to do this? How am I going to take out my mom's kaleja, the heart? फिर भी, he takes a bottle, mommy is asleep. This is not nice. Mommy is asleep. So this boy goes and takes out mom's heart. He puts in a jar, bottle, and then he's slowly walking towards the genie. Now, as soon as he reached halfway through, he fell down. So he fell down and the heart, mom's heart came out from the bottle. And you know what the heart is saying? He's saying, beta, tumhe chok to nahi lagi na. The mom is saying, son, you didn't get injured. I hope you haven't got injured. So this is the story of mom, how much she loves us. Yeah, you can do whatever to her, but she will always forgive you and always look after you. So all the moms, we love you, we respect you. Guys, spend more time with mom. From now onwards, take her out, movies, shopping, McDonald's when it opens. Mommy loves all these things. The choti cheese, it's like your same thing with your partners. If you take them out for a movie, they appreciate. They think, yes, my somebody still loves me. So do that. I always pray to mom to stay around with us, and she does actually. So, okay, now I'm going to sing one more song. Okay, I'm going to sing one more song, and then we'll see what happens. This is my contribution. This is the number of songs that I brought today. Now this song, Happy Mother's Day to all moms. Minnie says, yes, Happy Mother's Day. This song is from the film Kranti. And my favorite singer, Nitin Mukesh, with Lata Didi. So let's go. Hope you like it. Zindagi ki lari. And he's telling us, प्यार करना है गली to गली. Listen to the lyrics. They're all related to Mama. They're all related to mothers also. जिंदगी की न टूटे लड़ी, जिंदगी की न टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी, ओ जिंदगी की न टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी, लंबी लंबी उमरिया को छोड़ो, लंबी लंबी उमरिया को छोड़ो, प्यार की एक घड़ी है बड़ी, प्यार कर ले हो, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी, ओ जिंदगी की न टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. I hope you have seen this film, Kranti, a fabulous film. Manoj Kumar sir. All the songs are beautiful. उन आँखों का हंसना भी क्या, जिन आँखों में पानी न हो. तो जवानी जवानी नहीं, जिसकी कोई कहानी न हो. आंसू है खुशी की लड़ी, प्यार कर ले वो प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. ओ जिंदगी की न टूटे घड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. तेरे बिना लागे ना रे जिया. आज से अपना हम मिलेंगे हर एक मोड़ पर. दिल की दुनिया बनाएंगे हम, गम की दुनिया का डर छोड़कर. जीने मरने की किसको पड़ी, प्यार कर ले वो प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. ओ जिंदगी की न टूटे घड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. क्या लाख गहरा हो सागर तो क्या, प्यार से कुछ भी गहरा नहीं. और टूट जाएगी हर हर घड़ी, प्यार कर ले वो प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. ओ जिंदगी की न टूटे घड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो डोगरी प्यार कर ले हरी डोगरी प्यार कर ले हरी डोगरी प्यार कर ले हरी डोगरी। थैंक यू दोस्तों। माँ की याद आती है तो सभी को दुख तो होता है ना। It is very natural and everybody loves their mom. I don't think there's anybody in this world that doesn't love. In fact, mom loves more you and me than she loves anything else. So that was a little bit of my Kya bolte ho? I really wanted to come and do this show, especially today, because of Mother's Day and tribute to mom and listening and thinking about her and sharing with you guys. It's a shame that you can't send me those messages. Maybe we'll try and get that technology next time where you can also send me your comments. Though, have I come to the end of the show? Yes. Yes or no? All the mom, no. Okay. Who says no? My dear Salma says no. Okay, we'll do one more song. But you got to find that really nice song because it's dedication to Mama. Any ideas, guys and girls? No? Okay. Listen to this song. Let's see who is this here. Salma, one song for you. Pit Wong is. Hi Pit, how are you? Glad to have you here. We'll sing. Do you want a nice sentimental one? I know Mumtaz like it. Okay, this is my favorite also. I think this is the song. Let's see. Hi Sanjeev ji. Welcome to the show. The last song dedicated to you, Sanjeev bhai. एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। We have Narendra Bhatia, Narendra Bhai from London, is it? Narendra Bhai from London? Hi Ashwin from here, Brisbane. Sanjeev bhai from here. I hope you enjoyed this song. La 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 la. कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। Thank you Ashwin भैया, thank you Narendra bhai, thank you for all your work, love and support. Thank you Mumtaz, this is for you. तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ। तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ। आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। Oh, that's good. Sing along. Narendra bhai, sing along. That's a good idea. La 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 la. तूफान तो आना है, आकर चले जाना है। बादल है कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है। परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। Thank you very much दोस्तों, thank you so much. I'm so delighted to have my friend Mr. Kiran Bhatt. Namaste Kiran bhai, happy Mother's Day to you. Bharti ji, thanks for coming also. Well. It's so good to see Kiran bhai, especially Kiran bhai, because I haven't seen him for a long time. Kiran bhai lives in Perth, and Kiran bhai and I and everybody and Jayant bhai, we used to do lots of garba, lots and lots of shows. We have done like hundreds of shows here in Sydney, in Melbourne, Brisbane, and also in Perth. Bharti ji, thank you. Now, unfortunately, Kiran bhai, that was my last song. And it's good to see you here. We've been giving tribute to Mom. I know you also lost your mom a few years ago. And we are all missing moms. Both miss kar rahe hain. And what to say? it's nice. If you don't mind, Kiran Bhai, I can sing the last song for you. Is that okay? It's a repeat song, but it's a beautiful song. Arijit ka gaya hua song from the film Chunar, from ABCD 2. Okay, all for my friend Kiran Bhai and Bharti ji, but don't come late next time. No, I'm just joking. This song is for everybody here now who hasn't heard this song. Enjoy it. Mumtaz. जीना 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 उड़ा गुला माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 उड़ा गुला माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा समा माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुला माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई. This song is dedicated to Ma, to all the Ma's, not just the Ma's but our Matajis also. Our guys are also our Matajis. Very nice. Very nice. जग से हारा नहीं मैं खुद से हारा हुआ एक दिन चमकूंगा मैं तेरा सितारा हुआ मायने मायने मुझसे रूठी मेरी परछाई मेरी 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 परछाई तेरा ख्याल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 रे उड़िया गुला माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा समा माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना 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 उड़िया गुला माई तेरी चुनरिया dosto. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kiran bhai, for your lovely message. Hi, Shobhana ji. Thank you so much. I love you and come to the end of the show. We start at 9 o'clock. No, 8:30. Sorry, 8:30. I hope that from here, when you go back, think about mom if she's not here with us, but she's always here with us. She'll never go. She'll never leave us alone. She always will guide us. And if your mom is still here, please do take care. Take her out. Spend more time with her, because that is a spacious, really special time that it will be very hard to come back. So I love you guys, and I love moms too. And all those moms, not just mom, but moms are also guys, and moms are also matajis, and everybody. So yeah, be good, and also love your partners and your family too. I'm sure you will. And I'll take your leave now, and hopefully I'll try and come back again. Let's see what happens. Last week we had Rishi Kapoor tribute. Today we have Mama's tribute, and something else will happen. Like, let's hope nothing bad happens, but something else will come up with some really nice songs from 80s and 90s or whatever you like. If you have any requests, do send them to me. And also remember, we are doing Antaksharis every Wednesdays and every Sundays. So if you like to come and play Antakshari or virtual Antakshari with us, then please drop me a line, and we'll arrange that for you. And the other thing I also do, I enjoy doing, is interview prominent or professionals, expert people in their fields, and I ask to come and talk to us about things like immigration, sports, yoga, charities, whatever you want to come and talk to us about. If there is any subject, accounts, properties, whatever it is, whether commercial or not commercial, if you like to come and share with us, then I'll be delighted to talk to you for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, so that we can, share. And in the meantime, the coronavirus isn't over yet, so please keep that distance, no touching, no, if you have a sneezing, use your elbow, always, wash your hands. I know, I don't have to tell you, because you're all lovely people, all adults. Let me see, I've got one message here. Okay, Mr. Harry. Harry Sharma, can you come? We'll book you for this Saturday, for Wednesday, okay? You join us on Wednesday. Give me a call. Let's have a chat. I'll tell you exactly what we need to do. So I do apologize. We got international matches as well. Let's see. Rohit Ram. Hi Rohit Bhaiya, kaise ho? Nice to see you. Harry, you are from New Zealand, is that right? I'm not sure. Are you from New Zealand? Let me hear your response to that. Because if you are from New Zealand, then you can bring a whole team with you. I know we've got a team from Fiji coming soon. We've got teams from South Africa, Canada, and USA also coming soon. Let's see, Harry. Harry, if you are from New Zealand, then that's great, because you can bring 3 people in your team, so we can have a match with you. Yesterday we had a game with England. Oh yeah, okay. So Salma says Harry is from New Zealand. Okay, fine. So if you can arrange for 3 people, Harry, then we can have a Australia versus New Zealand game, right? If you can't, then we'll do it next Sunday. So guys and girls, unfortunately, every good time has to finish, and my time here is finished. I thank everyone today who have come to this lovely auditorium here. I call this lovely auditorium because it's so nice and cozy, you know. It really feels like all these guys, all these people that you guys are here, you know. मेरे सामने बैठे हुए हो. It feels like that. Salma, you will agree with me because you're on the radio and see, it just feels like सभी मेरे दोस्त are here. And it's very depressing because when I go there is nobody there. So क्या करूँ मैं? And now, but we will continue. We'll continue doing this even with or without coronavirus because it will keep us together. I think it will save you $100 per night instead of going out. You can enjoy here, get a beer and watch this show. Right? If you have any requests or anything that you want me to do for you guys, hey, do tell me because I'm here. Your entertainment is my business, right? So let's make it my business. I don't want any, but it's good, but yeah. So anyway, thanks again, and please do watch the Antakshari module that was uploaded today. We shot it last night at 3 o'clock in the morning from UK overseas Australia. And yeah, and even at that time the internet was so busy. You won't believe me, internet was really busy. Anyway, so if you allow me, I'll just say goodbye to Pravinish. Hi Pravinish, Mumtaz, Ronit, Harry, and Kim, and Bindu, and Natasha 1, Natasha 2, and Ushaji, Anil Khan, my guru, and Madan Bhaiya, and everybody else. I love you so much, and I'll take your leave now, okay? Love you. Bye now.